today I'm going to show you how to contact American Airlines. Whether you need help with a booking, have questions about your flight, or need customer service assistance, American Airlines offers several convenient ways to get in touch with their support team. Let's walk through how to find all your contact options. First, open your web browser and navigate to aa.com. This is American Airlines' official website where you'll find all their contact information. Once the page loads, scroll down towards the bottom of the home page. You're looking for a section labeled Help. This is where American Airlines centralizes all their customer support resources. Under the Help section, click on Contact American. This link will take you to a dedicated page that's specifically designed to connect you with their support team through various channels. It's your one-stop hub for getting assistance. Now scroll down the page until you find a section that says Still Need Help. This is where things get really useful because American Airlines provides multiple ways to reach them, so you can choose whichever method works best for your situation. Your first option is Chat with Us. This feature gives you quick answers to your travel questions 24/7 through American's virtual assistant, or you can chat with a live representative. To start a conversation, simply click the chat bubble icon. This is great if you prefer real-time assistance without picking up the phone. If you'd rather find answers on your own first, check out their frequently asked questions. Just click the link underneath the chat option. You'll find several helpful FAQ sections, including the A Advantage Program FAQ, Customer Service FAQ, Reservations and Tickets FAQ, and a See All FAQs option that covers even more topics. These resources can often solve common issues without needing to wait for a representative. If you prefer written communication, you can send them an email. Just click the Contact American link underneath this section. This method is ideal if your question isn't urgent and you'd like to have a written record of your conversation. For those who prefer speaking directly with someone, there's the Call Us option. Click the Contact Reservations link underneath to find the phone numbers you need to reach their reservations team. This is perfect for complex booking issues or when you need immediate assistance. Finally, if you're near an airport or prefer face-to-face help, click the Come See Us link underneath to find ticket sales centers. This will show you physical locations where you can speak with American Airlines staff in person. And there you have it, multiple ways to contact American Airlines depending on your preference and needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.